Kelly, I want to play for you some audio and maybe even make it into a little game, if you will. All right, kind of a guess the sound game. All right,
I'm gonna be awesome at this.
Okay, so here it is. It's a pleasant sound. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Kind of sounds like the soundtrack to an old Disney movie.
An old Disney movie.
Sounds like an old person's choir. Maybe.
An old person's choir. It is a choir. Okay. I will give you that. Do you want to hear a little bit more?
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. It's not an old people's choir?
No.
Okay.
All right. Gonna need a guess.
Oh, well, that was my guess. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
You're wrong.
Okay. So what is it?
It's the Austrian Tongue Choir.
The Austrian Tongue Choir?
Yeah. Now listen closely again.
Are they singing with their tongue sticking out?
Yeah, they're like. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
It's a very talented choir.
It would be funnier if I'm looking at them sticking out their tongues.
Oh, there's a YouTube video of it. That's for sure.
Great.
And we'll share it on our Insta stories as well at Ben and Kelly Show because, yes, it is fantastic. It's from like the 80s. So it's it's an old video of the Austrian Tongue Choir. So I thought what we would do is recreate it, okay?
No.
But with pop songs. All right. So I'm going to give you some audio clue as the Austrian Tongue Choir would have done. And you guess the song.
Okay. So you're going to be performing and I have to guess what you're performing?
Unless you want to do it yourself.
No, I do not. I do not. Go ahead. I am.
I think I'd kind of like to see that.
No, I don't. Nope.
All right.
Nope. I want you to be the performer. Not
all right, that's fine. That's fine.
All right.
All right. Here we go. This is the Austrian Tongue Choir doing pop songs. You know it?
I have no idea what you're trying to perform. I don't even care.
That's so true. You're 0 for 1.
Oh, that's so true. All right.
All right, here we go. Next
Not
one.
because it wasn't an amazing performance.
Thank you. Yes. Next one. Austrian Tongue Choir version of popular songs. Here we go.
All right.
Oh
my God. Someone is just tuning in right now.
I hope they are.
And they're probably the facial expression they have is what in the world is going on right now? Can you give me the artist?
No.
Oh, wow.
Come on now.
Give me a little bit more. A little bit more. I can't. I got nothing. I got
a bar song, Tipsy. You're
bar song. Oh yeah.
Right.
Now I hear.
Yeah.
it.
No, you're terrible at this game. You're terrible at this game.
Okay.
Again,
Ben sounds like a yodeler.
Here's the Austrian Tongue Choirs.
Yodel. Okay.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
I think you're flapping your tongue more than they were.
I don't think so.
Okay.
All right. Another one. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know.
It's too sweet. Oh, for 3.
Too sweet.
All right, last one. Last one. You're terrible at this game, by the way.
Oh, well, okay. I might point the finger a little at the performer. Oh, but Linda says, Ben, do not quit your day job.
All right. One last one. Austrian tongue choir version of pop songs. Here we go.
I'm going to get it.
All right, good.
I'm going to get it. Have you noticed that all of your performances have kind of been in the same key?
Well, yeah. I know where my limits are.
Okay.
I know where my limits are.
Okay, give me a little bit more. Don't know.
Birds of a feather, or 0 for 4. You're a terrible. You actually got 0 out of 5 right. You got none of it right.
And if we're counting, guessing the Austrian tongue choir also got that right.
No, that's what I'm counting. That I'm counting that.
Okay.
Yeah. So there you go. That was guess the sound, and we'll leave you with the rendition of the Austrian tongue choir.
Haley says my 2-year-old in the backseat enjoying every bit of this.
Absolutely.
And joining in.
Like I said, if you want to see the video, we are going to put it up on our stories at Ben and Kelly Show.
Oh, and this